Guys, I want you to take a look at this indicator from today. Look at how this indicator nailed today's gigantic rally that we had in the market, okay? What a day for a comeback, right, ladies and gentlemen? So what I'm going to do here for you in this video, folks, is I am going to show you a powerfully simple trading system that uses nothing more than a simple color-coded volume indicator. That is what you see on the screen right now, all right, this green and red color band. And I'm going to show you how to use this, capitalize this, and transform your trading charts forever. All right, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a long-term customer or subscriber, then I thank you for your support. I'm so glad you guys are crushing it with this volume indicator. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's incredible price action on the S&P 500. All right, guys, this is the global benchmark. I know that over 70 to 80% of you trade the S&P 500, and however you do it, Forex, futures, stocks, and options, then I'm pretty sure today you caught the trade of a lifetime. All right, now, what you also see on this chart is this green and red color band overlay. What is it? Okay, this indicator is our proprietary volume-based indicator. It has one job and only one job every single day. All right, and that is to give you alerts like it did today at exactly 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, its job is to give you alerts on potential trend changes. Okay, folks, you've heard me say this 1,000 times, and if you haven't, please write this down. A trend trading style or a trend trading methodology, in my humble opinion, is the only thing that has proven track records. Okay, you cannot say that about anything else. You can't say that about a scalping system. You can't say it about trying to call tops and bottoms. No, none of that. The only thing that has a proven track record, again, based on my own research and in terms of all the time and energy that I have personally spent researching the best trading approach in the history, all right, I am convinced that a trend trading system works, and I'm also convinced that a trend trading system is far superior than anything else you've ever done. Now let me show you what I think this volume indicator can do for you, and I'm also going to show you what it did for us today, okay? So check this out. When you see a color change in either direction from green into red, or in this case right here, from red into green, okay? This is your clue, this is your signal, and this is your trigger that you now need to start paying attention. Okay? It does not mean that you rush into the market and start buying the market. All right? This color change is just an alert. Now, what we want to wait for, ladies and gentlemen, is one of these. Okay? For all you long-term customers and subscribers, you know what I'm going to say next. All right? When it comes to trading a powerful trend, ladies and gentlemen, it's not enough to wait for a color change. Okay? This is simply the market telling you that it might be ready to change directions, aka it might be done selling off and it might be ready to start rallying at this exact moment in time, but you don't know for sure, right? So what I like to do is I like to ask the market to prove itself. Prove to me that this move is going to be legit. Prove to me that this starting point of a new trend is authentic. And how I make the market prove that to me is I want to see the market establish some momentum, right? Go in the direction that I want you to go for a few bars. And then, Mr. Market, I want you to pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, and give me a nice retracement. All right, ladies and gentlemen, where the market comes down underneath the color band and you think that it's going to keep selling off, but no, instead it gives you a nice green reversal bar. That green reversal bar is underneath the green color band. That makes it a color match, and kaboom, this is our signal to go long this market. All right, guys. It's not complicated. It's not brain surgery. And for those of you guys who were goofing around on your candlestick, what I call garbage charts, you got your face chopped off today. All right, folks, there is a clear difference between people who want to stay in the dumpster, all right, people who never want to change, who maybe don't take trading seriously, right? That's these people over here who will never become an expert in their field. All right, they are relegated to the garbage heap and they will always be there. And on the flip side, ladies and gentlemen, those of you guys and gals that do take trading seriously, okay, you believe in a trend trading system and your gut tells you, the way that it did for me, that a trend trading system, it's just common sense. It's straightforward. I mean, folks, you could explain everything that I just explained to a 6-year-old. All right. And so if I clean up the chart a little bit, all right, we're looking at this nice retracement right here. Okay. We would look to go long on the open of the next bar, and we would look to place our potential stop loss 1 or 2 ticks underneath the signal bar. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the pattern. Okay. And you know what happened the rest of the day? All right. Let me fit this to scale. Let me press the F button here, fit this to scale. Do you know what happened the rest of the day? Right? The professional traders crushed this market today as we were on the right side of the trade, okay, for a shocking 600 potential ticks. Just following the retracement, okay? And on the flip side, people that were using their garbage charts, you know what happened to them today? They tried to short the market here, got their face chopped off. They tried to short the market here, got their face chopped off. They tried to short the market here, face chop. These people tried to short and short and short all the way up. And that's just the nature of retail, amateur, unsuccessful, unsophisticated traders. They will just never get it. All right. Now to the rest of you guys, especially all of my customers, especially all you guys who onboarded this software, man, in the last couple days or last couple weeks. Wow, did you crush it today following the simple retracement pattern. And you know what's funny? Look at this next setup right there. Isn't that interesting how if you were too chicken or you were too scared to play this setup, isn't that interesting how the market gave you a second chance to go long this market today before it just took off like a freight train? All right, guys and gals. So listen, congrats, man. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart, congrats. I mean it. I'm so thrilled that you guys crushed it today following the simple retracement pattern that I've been teaching for years now. To everybody else, if you were on the sidelines today, you missed probably one of the best trading days of the year. Okay, I warned you that the volatility was not going anywhere. And if you're looking for a trading system that is simple, obvious, and very straightforward, then I might just have something for you. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.